In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove files from a project in Claude AI. If you've ever uploaded a document that's outdated, irrelevant, or just something you no longer want Claude to reference, this quick cleanup will keep your project's context focused and accurate. Start by opening the Claude AI website or launching the desktop app from your list of projects. Click the specific project you want to tidy up. This takes you into the project workspace where all of your conversations, settings, and supporting materials live. On the right-hand side, look for the area labeled Knowledge, or the Files panel that shows the documents you've uploaded to this project. This is the project's reference library. Claude uses these files to answer questions and provide context during chats. So anything listed here is considered part of the active knowledge for this project. If you don't see the panel immediately, make sure the sidebar is expanded and scroll if needed. Larger projects can have longer file lists. Next, move your mouse over the file you want to remove. Don't click yet, just hover the cursor on the file name. When you do, you will see a small X or a trash can icon appear alongside it. This icon is intentionally subtle so you don't accidentally delete something while browsing the list. Now click the X or the trash can. That's it. The file is instantly removed from the project's active context. You'll notice the document disappear from the list right away, confirming that it's no longer included in what Claude considers when responding in this project. This is especially helpful if a document contains outdated figures, duplicate content, or material that's no longer relevant to your current goals. A quick note on what this action means: removing a file here doesn't change your previous chats, but it does prevent the document from influencing any future conversations in this project. If you ever decide you need that reference again, you can always add it back later. Keeping this list curated is a simple way to maintain clarity, reduce conflicting information, and improve the quality of Claude's responses. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.